Hey, good morning, Thursday. How you doing today? Hopefully good. I am surprisingly well rested. I slept, for the most part, right through the night. I think I woke up once around 3 a.m., but went right back to sleep. Not really any pause in the sleep cycle at all, really. Good news. Thumper ate some food last night, probably close to half a can of food. That's less than what she should be eating in a day, but a lot better than nothing, that's for sure. And she seemed hungry this morning, so I gave her a can of her favorite food, and she just polished the whole thing off. So, thumbs up for that. I'm really happy about that. What I'm not happy about is she has taken to just peeing wherever she wants in the house. I even cleaned up the litter box last night, cleaned up all around it, mopped the floor, made sure everything was nice and tidy and clean, put her in the litter box. She sniffed around, dug around a little bit, got out of the litter box, walked into the kitchen, stood there in front of me, and peed. So it's not an issue with her not being able to hold her bladder or make it to the litter box. It's a behavioral issue, which stems from not feeling well. But it's strange that it just started happening 2 days ago. It started happening the day we took her to the vet. So hopefully she's not going to continue that behavior, especially when I put her right in the litter box and she won't be in there, she won't be somewhere else. Disappointing, but I do understand she's in a lot of distress and not feeling well. Alright, I gotta turn this off and pay attention. A lot of kids around going to school right now, right in front of me. Alright, I made it past the school, didn't run over any kids, so good morning so far. I'm not stopping anywhere for anything to drink or eat this morning. Not doing the Dunkin' Donuts thing. I think I'm gonna stop that for a while, keep away from there, because more often than not I end up getting a donut. And also I'm trying to cut back a little bit on how much I'm eating and what I'm eating. So I told you about protein bars I got yesterday. This is what I got. It's a Power Crunch. I've had these before and quite liked them. They're like a wafer style instead of all like, I don't know what you call regular protein bars, all globby. So this, I've had the peanut butter and I've had the chocolate. So I figured chocolate and peanut butter, probably pretty good. So that's my breakfast. That and this drink here, Mama Chia. It's got all those little chia seeds in there. I've never had one until like a few weeks ago. Gave it a try. Really like it. There seems to be common in putting those in kombucha, and I'm not ready to try that, so this is just juice. I quite like it. And it's got protein, it's got omega-3s, 6s and 9s, and it's got a bunch of other good stuff in there. It's got some protein, so I figure probably a pretty okay breakfast. I have no idea whether I'm actually saying this right or not. Chia, Mama Chia, chia seeds. I'm going to assume I'm saying it wrong, but hey, that's how I would pronounce it. Chia, like Chia Pet, you know? Chia. Aren't they due for a comeback? I've never had one, but if they came back this time, I'd definitely buy one. Maybe Donald Trump, Chia Pet Donald Trump with the hair. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm sure they're working on it. Alright, lunchtime finally. Just been doing my thing, helping customers. Just had a guy in here for over an hour.
After he'd been here for a while, I thought I'd be safe to order my lunch. It came, was delivered, and it's been sitting here for over half an hour while he kept looking around and looking around. I thought he'd never leave. But I got some good news. I guess it's good news. We heard from Thumper's vet. Nothing major wrong, no feline leukemia or AIDS or anything like that. Just high blood cell count. Everything else is normal. High white blood cell count. So she's just got some sort of infection, but it's been lingering and lingering and lingering. We did get a prescription a while ago for some antibiotics, but as soon as we put them in her mouth, which is the only way to give them to her, she would just immediately throw up. So we weren't able to give them all to her. So they've called in a different prescription for a stronger antibiotic. We have to give her for 5 days. Hopefully we can get her to take them, and hopefully it helps. They're also going to give us a prescription for an antifungal drug in case it's some sort of fungal infection instead of a bacterial infection. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully one or both of these will take care of things and she'll get on the mend. It's not been fun, that's for sure, especially for her. I'm gonna eat now. I'm hungry. Maybe I shouldn't record anything right now. Or I don't know. People today. Really. Shitty attitudes. I don't get it. Why do people gotta be crappy? I'll just leave it at that. Alright, I'm gonna get back to doing what I'm doing. Trying to get that out of my head, but just they keep coming today. Phone calls and people coming in, crappy attitudes. It's nice and cloudy out today. You know how much I love clouds. I wish I had had the opportunity to be outside all day today, because today would have been a perfect day for that. Looks like it's nice and windy and cloudy, and oh, look at that, 77 degrees. Yeah, today would have been a great opportunity to go for like an 8-hour hike. I'm serious. Oh well.
Finally, leaving work. I'm going to record myself pulling out of here because traffic is crazy, and hey, if anything happens, maybe I'll catch it on video. A little bit of backing up. I don't know what I would do without a rear view camera. Well, I know what I do without a rear view camera. I look in the rear view mirror and in the side mirrors, and I look behind me. But it's really nice having the rear view camera, so you're able to see right back in behind the car, back by the bumper, in case anything's back there. A dog, a kid, a cat, 6-pack of beer, whatever. Well, that went totally easy. I wasn't expecting that. Lull in traffic, I guess. Maybe they knew I was leaving work, so they've all dispersed, so I have a clear shot all the way out of town. That'd be nice. I am tired. I don't know what's going on. I actually slept fairly well last night, but just drained. Maybe I need a coffee, but I think with my eye appointment tomorrow morning, I will forego the coffee, because that can affect blood pressure and eye pressure, and I want to get an accurate reading tomorrow. I don't want it to be elevated more than it naturally is.
Hi, thank you for choosing McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Yeah, I'll get a large chocolate milkshake.
Okay.
That'll be it.
Alrighty, your total is going to be $4.33 your first window. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, yes, I'm getting a milkshake for 2 reasons. I I haven't had a lot of calories today, and I haven't had very much sugar today. I think that might be what's going on with me, a little bit of sugar withdrawal. It's not like I normally, on a normal day, eat a lot of sugar, but sometimes I can feel it's getting a little low. This might help me, it might not, but it'll taste okay. McDonald's milkshakes now in their current state are not my favorite, but we'll give it a shot.
Large chocolate shake.
Yep.
$7.
Thank you. Drop some of my change. I don't care. It's not like I was going to buy a Lamborghini with it. But maybe. Hey McDonald's, your milkshakes now really suck. Your McCafe milkshakes. For shame. Hardly qualify as a milkshake. It's more the consistency of milk if you left it on the top shelf of your refrigerator and it got a little too cold. So got little slightly frozen, a few ice crystals in there. That's about what it's like. Far cry from the triple thick milkshakes of yore and the non-fat milkshakes they used to have, or low fat. They were either no fat or low fat, I can't remember now. But I remember back in the day when I was a kid, or even early teenager, you couldn't suck a McDonald's milkshake through the straw, and that is what everybody loved about it. Now, nothing like it used to be. Where'd they stand? Lucy! Yay! Oh, what'd you do that for? Willow! Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Let's go inside. Hi, Lucy. Lucy, what you doing? You too excited? Too excited?
She's too excited.
Come here. Come on up. Lucy. Lucy. Oh.
My movies.
Willow, what are you doing? Lucy, what are you doing? Lucy. Lucy. Pom 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 pom. What's your puppers doing?
We just need Bumpy over here to the group.
What you doing, pupper? Hi, Willow, you sleepy? Willow, sleepy. Puppers and I are headed off to Paseo Vista recreation area, Mount Chandler. We'll get there right around sunset time, which is usually the time we end up getting there. Could have got them there earlier today, but got home and sat down and relaxed and talked with Vanessa for a while and had a snuggle with the puppers on the new sectional, and then decided I better get off my butt, take these puppers out because they didn't get out yesterday. So it's only fair to them. I don't know if you can see them back there. They're in the back seat. I don't know if this camera will catch them back there. I don't even know if it's catching me properly right now, but I will assume it is. Yeah, so I've grabbed the Osmo. See if I can get some shots of the sunset. It's nice and cloudy today, so chances of spectacularity are pretty high. They probably won't go in the vlog though, if I do get any, because I said I'm working on a weekly project and I haven't started one for this week, so it seems like as good a time as any, and the possibility of getting something good is there. So that's what's gonna happen. This big truck back here, I don't know if you can see it, I just passed it. It's a big tractor trailer, the dump trailer, I think. It's all kinds of Final Destination scary. It's making all kinds of noises, rattles and shimmies and shakes and whatever the hell that is. No thank you. Bonsoir, mes amis. Yeah, it's pretty good out here tonight. We're enjoying ourselves. It's a little smelly. I think the water reclamation plant over there is running like a chlorine cycle or something. So there's like a bleachy chlorine type smell going on. It's not too bad though. It's just like real strong like pool smell maybe. Like you're at the public pool and they had just chlorinated it like that morning or the night before or something like that. I got some pretty good footage. Pulled out the Osmo, gave it a shot with some 4K. I was on 1080p to begin with, so I might sneak some of that footage into this vlog. Just as a little teaser, but I got a bunch of 4K footage for the project. And I've decided it makes more sense to, if this was the starting week, then I give myself a week to edit it next Sunday, so that every Sunday after next Sunday will be a weekly project. I'm not sure whether Sunday night would be the best or Monday morning. Maybe Monday morning. So I'll get a Monday